Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Facebook catalog product data using Business Manager exports, full guide step by step clearly. To start backing up your Facebook catalog product data, log into your Facebook Business Manager account. Navigate to the Commerce Manager. Once inside, locate the Catalogs tab on the left side menu. Select the catalog you want to back up. Now, click on the Data Sources option within the catalog. Find and select the Product Data section. Here, you will see all the product information stored in your catalog. Look for the Export button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Export button to initiate the backup process. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting various export options. Choose the appropriate export format that suits your needs, such as CSV or XML. After selecting the format, confirm your choice by clicking on Export. The system will start preparing your file. Once the export is complete, a download link will appear. Click the download link to save the file to your computer. Make sure to choose a safe location where you can easily access the backup. To ensure everything is correct, open the file and review the product data. Confirm that all necessary product details are included in the backup. Regularly repeat this process to keep your product data up to date. Now you have a secure backup of your Facebook catalog product data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.